Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 430D M Sport Coupe presented in Melbourne Red. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and this 430D does also come with some fantastic BMW optional extras to further enhance that very nice exterior colour and of course performance styling kit. We've also added a set of the 19-inch 442M BMW alloys, which we've just had professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. Sitting behind those alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car, that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. It's a 2016 at 66 reg. We've got those lovely Angel Eye and xenon headlamps, body colour air breathers down the side of the car, and over the top you will be able to see we've got that fantastic glass sunroof, and we'll of course explore more of that shortly. Also down the side you'll see the sun protection glazing alongside our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. The interior on the car is a very nice contrasting light Oyster Dakota leather, being very nicely illuminated by that glass sunroof, thanks to the fact we've got that all the way open. And of course I'll also explore and put that in the tilt mode for yourselves in a couple of moments. Harman Kardon surround sound, once again thanks to that M Sport Plus pack. It's got the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Both the front passengers and driver seats come with heated. Passengers has electric movement, and we've got memory settings for the driver's side. Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and as you can see there, that's all in great condition and works very nicely with that darkened M Sport headlining. Again, all having a very nice amount of natural light being shone upon it by that sunroof. Round at the back of the car, again you can see just how clean and tidy those freshly refurbished alloys are, and again how well they work with the Melbourne Red exterior colour. At the back we went for a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser for this 4 Series, and if you've not yet seen in the boot area of a 4 Series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised because there is a great amount of space in there. Alongside you do get split folding seats to further enhance that. Moving around to the driver's side, we can again show you that the Melbourne Red works very nicely with all of the additions we've made here. Alongside this is a very clean and tidy example, and I shall now go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just run yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen, and straight away once we sat inside you can see just how much natural light having the glass sunroof option does let into the car. Down here you'll also see of course the dual climate control along with the switches for these heated seats. Going through a couple of the screens, we've got sat nav, which uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Both Bluetooth audio and telephone, as you can see there. You do also get a huge amount of multimedia inputs including DAB, the music collection, AUX, USB, and we've already spoken about and shown you the Bluetooth audio input. Going back to the main menu in just one second, I'll show you all of the service requirements. The vehicle itself's covered just over 43,000 miles. I did of course touch upon the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It does also have cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Going through into the service history, the car comes with 2 services from BMW, and we are going to be shortly carrying out an in-house service for the car, as the service is coming into within our service parameters, which we have a very tight and strict control of here at Your Next Car. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. There is of course just one last thing left to do, which is just show you that sunroof up in its tilt. For further information on the car, there is always a link to our website in the description alongside a contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you very much again for watching the video, and we'll, as I say, hopefully see yourself soon. Take care. Goodbye.